Stop frying eggs in oil. Yes, you heard that right. For years, millions of people have cooked eggs the same way. Pan, oil, egg. Feels normal. But what if there's a better way? A simple trick that can change how your eggs taste. And once you try it, you might never cook eggs the old way again. Think about your usual morning. You walk into the kitchen. You heat a pan. You pour in some oil. Then you crack the egg. The white spreads. The yolk sits in the center. Soon the edges start frying and turning crispy. Smells familiar. But there's something most people don't realize. Oil changes the egg. It makes it heavier. Sometimes greasy. And it hides the natural flavor. Because eggs are actually very delicate. They don't need strong heat. And they don't need a lot of oil. Sometimes the best eggs are cooked gently. And that's where this simple trick comes in. Instead of oil, use water. Yes, just a small spoon of water. Here's how it works. Heat your pan on medium. Crack the egg into the pan. Do not add oil. Now add 1 small spoon of water. Then cover the pan with a lid. That's it. Something interesting happens next. The water turns into steam. The steam spreads inside the pan and gently cooks the egg. The bottom cooks from the pan. The top cooks from the steam. After about 1 minute, the egg white becomes perfectly cooked, but the yolk stays soft and creamy. When you lift the lid, you'll notice something surprising. The egg looks clean, smooth, soft. No greasy oil. Just a perfectly cooked egg. Many people who try this for the first time are surprised. They expect the egg to stick, but it usually doesn't. They expect it to taste strange, but it actually tastes lighter, cleaner, more natural. And there's another benefit. Less oil means fewer calories, so the meal becomes lighter and healthier. But the biggest difference is texture. Steam keeps the egg soft and tender, instead of rubbery or crispy. This method is also easier to control. When eggs fry in oil, they cook very quickly, sometimes too quickly. The edges burn before the yolk is ready, but steam cooking is gentler, slower, more balanced, which usually means a better egg. Imagine placing this egg on toast. The white is soft. The yolk is golden. When you cut into it, the yolk slowly flows out. Warm and creamy. Simple. Delicious. And it only took a minute to make. Sometimes the best cooking tricks are the simplest ones. Not complicated recipes. Not expensive tools. Just small ideas that improve everyday food. And this egg trick is one of those ideas. A tiny change that can make a big difference. But don't just believe it. Try it yourself. Tomorrow morning, take 1 egg. Heat your pan. Crack the egg. Add 1 spoon of water. Cover the pan. Wait 1 minute. Then see the result. That simple test will tell you everything. Cooking is all about curiosity, trying small new ideas, and discovering what works best. And sometimes, the most surprising tricks are hiding in the simplest foods, like an egg. If you enjoyed learning this simple kitchen trick, pause for a moment. Try this simple steam method. You might be surprised, and your breakfast might never be the same again. Now that you understand the basic idea, let's go a little deeper. Most people fry eggs the same way every day. They heat a pan. They pour oil. Then they crack the egg. And they think this is the only way. But professional cooks know something different. There is a smarter way to cook eggs. A way that makes the egg softer, healthier, and sometimes even tastier. And the surprising part is, it uses almost no oil at all. Many people think oil is required, but that is not completely true. In fact, too much oil can sometimes ruin the egg. The edges burn quickly. the bottom becomes too crispy, and the egg loses its natural flavor. But with this simple trick, the egg cooks slowly and evenly. First, take a clean frying pan. Place it on medium heat. Not too hot, not too cold. Heat is important. If the pan becomes too hot, the egg will cook too fast. If the pan is too cold, the egg will stick. So medium heat is perfect. Now comes the interesting step. Instead of pouring oil, add a very small amount of water. Yes, just a spoon of water. Many people are surprised by this. Water? In a frying pan? But this is the trick that many people don't know. Now gently crack the egg into the pan. You will hear a soft sound. The water begins to heat, and steam begins to form. This steam helps cook the egg slowly. The egg white becomes soft and smooth. The yolk stays beautiful and creamy. And the best part, the egg does not stick to the pan, because steam creates a natural barrier. Now cover the pan with a lid. This step is very important. The lid traps the steam, and the steam cooks the egg from the top. Normally, when frying eggs in oil, the top stays uncooked for a long time. But with steam, the egg cooks evenly. After about 1 minute, open the lid slowly. Look at the egg. You will see something amazing. The egg white is perfectly cooked. The yolk is soft and shiny, and there is almost no oil. This method is sometimes called steam frying. Some chefs use this trick in restaurants because it keeps the egg light and natural. Now let's talk about taste. Does it taste different? Yes, it tastes cleaner, more natural. You can actually taste the egg itself, not just oil. If you like a slightly crispy bottom, you can still add a drop of oil, just a drop. That way you get the best of both worlds. A little crispiness, but still a healthy egg. Another benefit of this method is health. Many people today are trying to reduce oil. Too much oil can add extra calories, but this trick helps you cook eggs with almost none. That makes breakfast lighter, and sometimes healthier. This method is also very fast. You don't need complicated tools. Just a pan, a lid, and a spoon of water. Anyone can do it. Even beginners. Even students living alone. Even people cooking for the first time. Once you try this trick, you may never go back to the old way. Because simple cooking tricks like this make everyday food better. Cooking is not always about expensive ingredients. Sometimes it is just about technique, small tricks, small ideas, and small improvements. And that is what makes cooking interesting. Now imagine this. Tomorrow morning you wake up. You go to the kitchen. Instead of pouring oil like always, you try this simple steam trick. You cook the egg. You taste it. And suddenly you realize something. Cooking can be easier, and sometimes better. All because of a tiny change. This is why learning cooking tricks is fun. Because one small idea can completely change the result. And this egg trick is one of those ideas. Simple, smart, and useful. So the next time you cook eggs, try this method. Heat the pan. Add a spoon of water. Crack the egg. Cover the pan. Let the steam do the magic. And watch the difference. Your egg will look beautiful, taste clean, and feel light. If this trick helped you, remember that many more simple tips are waiting. Small kitchen secrets, easy cooking ideas, and smart food tricks, all designed to make everyday cooking easier. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Vita Signal 60 and discover more simple ideas that make life better.